Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here with Piper. Hey girl. So sometimes I like to bring her with me to Home Depot to just get her out of the house a little bit, but I'm gonna go in here. It's a beautiful day. I mean, it's 10:30 and it's already 60 degrees outside. It's just so nice, but it's so confusing because it's gonna get up to like mid 70s today. But I need to come here to grab a few things. I'm gonna get some more daffodils if they still have some, because there's another spot that I was laying awake the other night and I couldn't sleep, and I was like, oh, I can put daffodils there. So I'm gonna do that. I need to get a soaker hose for my garden, a new one, because I noticed last year that my raspberries were pretty dry and I had to hand water them the end of the season, and I feel like that was just getting kind of old, and I want to get that in there before the raspberries start to really grow. And a bag of topsoil, and I'll show you what I'm going to use that for today. So today's going to just be a day of like random projects. We'll see what I do. I have a long list of things to do, so this one I might just compile lots of little busy chores. So let's go inside. Piper's ready, right? You ready? You ready to go in? Okay, let's go. Got a lot of stuff out. There's like 3 in each of these. 4 in this one. No. Okay, this is the one I like. Okay, I'm back inside. So a thing I've been wanting to do for a little while is plant more seeds. I feel like I'm a little bit behind, and I think that's only because it's super warm outside, and so it's just weird. So I have 3 trays. I'm going to use these Bootstrap Farmer. I have one of these left. I tried to get more. Man, I sure love these. I have one more tray though, so I feel like I have another one. Maybe I'll go look and see. I might have one hiding somewhere. They were sold out, so I couldn't get any more. So I also have this Cherry Morse, and they're okay. They'll work. They're just like little plastic things, and I'll use them. I'm gonna do 3 trays of seeds, so I'll pick and choose what I'm gonna do. But let me get the trays all ready, and then this is just gonna be a fast portion. I also changed my shirt and pulled my hair back because it's hot. Okay, so what I'm planting the white swan marigolds. They are my favorite. They were one of my favorites from last year. I have a feeling I'm going to be putting these in my yard every year. They just glow in the yard and pop, so I think I'm going to pop them in different places in the yard, and they're drought tolerant, so they're really good here for my area. And I have 50 seeds, and I'm going to use all of them. I'm going to do some in the front, I believe. I'm still kind of trying to decide, and then I'm going to do some in the back. So I'll do 2 packs of those, so 50 seeds there. And then I have some snapdragons that I want to plant. I wasn't really going to start these, and then I decided I'm going to put them all in my raised bed that I got from Vigo, and I think that will be really pretty. And I think I'll plant some carrots around it too. We're going to try carrots out for the first time. I bought these yummy carrot seeds. I need to read up on how to do that. I've never done that before. I've got different varieties. I've got the Potomac Red F1. These ones are pelleted. I like the pelleted. I did buy some non-pelleted ones. The pelleted are a little more expensive, but they have a little coating around them, so it makes it easier to see the seed when you're working with it, and it's really nice. We'll see how the non-pelleted is compared to the pelleted this time. And then I have the Potomac Apple Blossom, and these are all really good for the hot sun. These are cool weather snapdragons. And these are the cut flower type. So then I have Chantilly Cream Yellow, which will be really pretty. Chantilly Light Salmon, and then I have, is that all the snapdragons? Yeah, okay. And then I have some Gomphrena that I think I might start from seed and see how that goes. And these are raspberry cream, and they're like little ball flowers. They're so cute. So I'm gonna try these too. Okay, I'm gonna hurry and do this, and then we'll go outside. I dug just a little hole for this marigold. This soil sucks. There's big chunks of bark in it. It's fine though, we're working with it. But I just dipped my finger in a little bit. They like a light layer of soil on top. And these marigold seeds are easy to keep, but since these are like a hybrid, I read that you can't really save the seeds and have it come back as the same thing. So I'll buy the seeds every year, it's fine. I love them. Okay, so 4 rows of that. And then I'm doing the Potomac Red Snapdragons here. These like to be on the surface. And then the Apple Blossom here. I'm doing multiple, but it's fine. I am being kind of sloppy. Okay. And those. These are going to be tiny, so I want to get a toothpick out because you cannot see these. The pelleted, I must say, are worth it. I cannot even tell what the freak I'm doing. Wow, we'll see what shows up from that. That's crazy. Pelleted all the way. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm not going to use this tray. Okay, got those there with the rest of my seeds. Let's see if I can give you a little update. Look how big they're really going. Okay, next little chore is to just clean these up. I've got new growth from these heuchera, and I want to take all this dead stuff off, clean it up, make it look nice so these pansies and violas can come back, and hopefully they will. They're looking a little tired, but I don't want to go buy anything for this. So I have 3 of these pots here that I'm going to do. And then see how these are growing new shoots? I can't remember what this is, but I'm going to cut it back. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but there is new ones growing off and they are kind of dead. So we'll see. That might be the wrong choice, but it's okay. I am going to move these eventually to a spot in my yard. Yeah, this has got some kind of bug on here. Maybe I do want to replant these. Just gonna wash them off. Yeah, these are full of bugs. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm pulling them out. I'm gonna go get some new ones. I just think I'll be happier. These are full bugs too. Oh my gosh. Ah, terrible. I was hoping I could keep all these things, but I mean, look at that, full of bugs. Aphids already. Crazy. This sedum's fine. It does have some on it, so I will come spray. And then these are just covered. See that? Yuck. Yeah. And they're all sticky too. And voila, flowers. We have a few garden centers that are super close, so it literally took me 15 minutes to run and get these, and I'm so much happier to have them in here because those were just looking sad and I didn't want to deal with it. I'm just going to start fresh. These aren't very much money, these little pony packs. So I did this bright yellow. I just want something bright and fun. Oh yes. And then I did pink because I have quite a bit of pink down there. I was going to do purple, but I think that's what I did last year, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit. They're all the Delta brand always. Delta Pro Rose with Blotch, and the yellow are Delta Pro Clear Lemon. And then I thought it'd be fun to put a little campanula in each one, and then I can transplant this into my yard. So that white and yellow in the center of this flower will just make those colors come together. So let's get those in real quick. Oh, and then here's a look at this. How cute. I feel like I need to get some decorative stuff out here now and wipe everything down and clean it up real good, but not today. Okay, those are all done. It's gonna be so pretty when everything's big and full, and I think they'll get big and full fast and maybe even get too hot for a day or two. So we'll have to keep our eyes on them. Let's go down here and work on this little planting project. So I was looking at this the other day and I was like, why don't I put bulbs in there? I never have. And I thought, how pretty would it be to have daffodils back here? So I went and bought some this morning, obviously. And I'm gonna plant some in here. And these are all just a beautiful pink pansy. And then I have a few of these, what are they called? Japanese pansies. I can't remember the name. I'll put it on the screen. But they're starting to bloom, look. They do have some powdery mildew, which is a little frustrating. So I might try to just kind of wipe their leaves off and clean that up, and I might even spray some antifungal on it. These were the only two that survived. I planted quite a few, and I think they're going to be a purpley color, at least this one, and this one will be a mystery. We'll find out. So these are starting to bloom, so I'm going to deadhead all these too and plant some daffodils just tucked in the middle there. That'll be so cute. Okay, it's really hard for me to not clean up a space while I'm in it, so this is taking longer than I thought. I'm probably not going to be able to do as much as I wanted, but that's okay. I'm getting a lot done, and while I was here, I was like, oh, I need to check the hot tub levels and everything, so I did all that. That was good, so now I'm going to shut this. Oh. And there's a bunch of furniture, so it's kind of hard, but pretty soon we'll get all the furniture out. Let me give you a close-up. Look, those daffodils are gonna come in. They're gonna be so cute. Those bulbs were quite a bit bigger than I thought they were gonna be. But yeah, that's so happy. Oh, love it. Okay, one of my next projects here is I have this woolly thyme, and it's kind of dying back on me. And I think the reason it is because I don't have a lot of soil down here, so I need to put dirt in here. I think it's just like out of dirt. There's no dirt for it to hold on to. And so I lost this whole chunk last year. So I'm gonna lift this up and put topsoil in here. And then I need more topsoil in here. So if I have extra, I'll just throw it over there. But I'm gonna fill this whole thing up. Yeah, I think that's going to be so much better. I really think that's what the problem was. So hopefully it will survive. If not, I'll have to come in here and plant some more because I really love it. Okay, while I'm in this area, I'm going to clean up all my lamb's ear. Just get all the dead leaves out of it. And I have 2 more right here, looking kind of messy, and a lot of weeds down there. So I'm gonna work on that. I have all this baby's lamb's ear from the other one. Helen Von Stein's much more controlled, so I'm gonna pull all these out. Oh, in fear I'm never gonna get rid of this. So I noticed I got a big ant problem right here. So I have some little granules that I'm gonna throw down and hopefully get rid of them. I don't really want ants in this area. Wow guys, it's hot. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so we have one little project over here. Let me show you. Grabbing all my stuff, but look at this fun stuff. Woohoo! Got some planting to do. Oh, I love heather so much. So I have a lot of that to put in my yard and then some ground cover. But today I decided I wanted to plant, these are for my front porch, and look how awesome they're doing. I decided I want to put pansies in the base. I just love it when it's a little bit fuller. So I'm gonna do that. And then I want this daisy. I have my pillows and my wreath has some pink. So I really wanted to incorporate pink. So I'm hoping it fits in here. I might have to cut the bottom off a little bit. We'll see. I'll make it work. I just think that'll be so cute on my little table. And I've done that before, but I love these little daisies. They're so cute. Are they Gerber daisies? English daisy. Yeah. So cute. Love the pink. To take some soil out. Perfect. Okay, we're all done with all our chores. Look how pretty those are gonna be. Oh. It's about time to get my porch done because these are gonna start blooming pretty soon. So cute. Oh, love that yellow with the pink. So cute. Okay, thanks so much for joining me on my random chore day. But it was really fun planting and getting things cleaned up again. And we'll see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye.